Hey, it's Brian with Beast Ride DIY. I'm at Home Depot and I'm going to show you their Father's Day deals going on for 2024. Now make sure to stay till the end of the video because I'm going to show you some of their patio deals and half off deals that I found near the front of the store. Now first up, this is for $199. This is Ryobi's 1 Plus HP 18 volt 6 tool combo kit. You're going to be saving $100 with this. You got the impact driver drill, reciprocating saw, circular saw cutoff tool, and the LED light here. And they had multiple stacks of these when I went in here. And then right near it here, they had this 159 4 tool combo kit. And with that, you get the circular saw, tool bag, LED light, drill, and impact driver here. And that does come with the 4 amp hour and 1.5 amp hour lithium battery and charger. Now Milwaukee has some deals going on as well. For $249, it was $299. You can get this string trimmer here. It's the M18 fuel line, and that's going to come with the charger and the battery here. So they've got these tagged here as well, unfortunately, but that's what it's come down to. For $299, it was $349. You get this blower deal, so you're going to be saving about $50 here, and that also comes with the battery and charger here. So next up for $149, it's $40 off, is this 7 1/4 compound miter saw from Ryobi. Now keep in mind this is the tool only, so you will have to have the battery for this to use it. Now this deal here is for $99. You purchase this 18 volt 1 Plus lithium starter kit, which is the charger, the 4 amp hour battery, and 2 amp hour battery. And this has a 3-year warranty, and these work with any 1 Plus tool. Let me know, guys, in the comments if you're doing anything for Father's Day as well. So these are the tools you can get. It's the reciprocating saw, job site van, vacuum cleaner, jigsaw, orbital sander. And then right around here on the other side, they have it shown off here with the buy the battery pack and get a free fan. Now Ridgid has some deals going on as well. This first one here is a 2-tool combo kit. So you get the 18 volt subcompact brushless 2-tool kit for $159. You're saving $40 there. And then for the drill driver kit, you're getting that for $99. And now you're getting the hammer drill driver and the 3-speed impact driver for $249. And then you're also getting the hammer drill for $129. Now down below they have the high torque hammer drill driver and then the impact driver with a 4-mode impact driver for $299. That was $379, so you're getting a $650 value on that, they're saying. And right next to it here you can see all the drill drivers and impact drivers here. And Ryobi also has a kit they have for $199, and with that one you're getting 2 4 amp hour batteries, I believe. Let me just go a little bit closer here. So yeah, you're getting the 2 4 amp hour batteries, 1 2 amp hour battery, and the charger. And that has a 3-year warranty. It's saying it runs cooler, and you're getting 30% more power. Now when you buy that, you also get a free higher level tier tool. So this is for $199 for their stick vacuum. You'd get that for free. And their 18 gauge brad nailer is $189 without this deal, and you're getting that for free with the starter deal. These are some of the other tools you can get for free. It's the HP Compact Circular Saw, 3-inch cutoff tool, 3/8 of an inch impact wrench, 1/2-inch hammer drill, or the pruning shear. And you get those all free when you take advantage of that $199 starter kit. I forgot to say, Ridgid also has a lifetime service agreement. So free batteries, free parts, and free service for life with Ridgid. Just keep that in mind. Now, when you buy 2 of these tools up top here, they're higher tier tools, you get this starter kit for free. And that's a $249 value. And look up on the right here. They've got some savings as well. This $249 4-tool kit, I think that was like $500, and I addressed that in another video as well. These are some of their super savings here. Was $229, it's $199 for their 2-tool combo kit. Their installation drill driver kit is $179, and the hex hydraulic driver kit is $159. Now you're going to get a free M12 battery with when you buy these tools here. It's the wet dry vac. It's a $79 value for the battery. It's a ratchet, radio, and charger, or the wet dry vac or the band file. Now these are some more of those tools here with the $99 value you're getting with Ryobi. This is that fan here. This is kind of more up close. It has the 3 different modes. And I believe on the back you can go ahead and clamp it as well. And this is the sander here for $59, although you'd get it for free if you took advantage of that battery deal. Now with Rigid, this is $20 off at $59. It's a hybrid job site fan. One thing to keep in mind with this though is it is the tool only, so you'll need the battery with this, of course, to make it work. And these are more Rigid deals. When you get the 2-pack of the 4 amp hour batteries with charger for $169, you can get one of these free: the reciprocating saw, the impact wrench, max output battery, or the circular saw. And they had more deals here. You can get up. They had the $129, $159 combo kits, and the $99 for the 2-pack of the 4 amp hour batteries. Now, unfortunately, this one's locked up, but this is the $299 impact driver kit. It was $379, and that's what the tools look like there. Now, for Milwaukee, this is the 2-tool 12-volt kit for $119, and then right next to it here, they had this reciprocating saw kit for $99, and that comes with everything you need: the battery, charger, toolkit, and the hacksaw. DeWalt did have some good deals as well. They have the impact and the drill driver kits. Both are $99. They were $159. This is the 20-volt max atomic line here. I also saw some DeWalt mowers. I don't know if I just missed that before, but let me know if you have used one of those before. This is the orbital sander here for $99. It was $159. And this is the XR line as well with the little collection bag in the back. I have not used one of those DeWalt mowers, but they looked pretty neat. For $149, it was $199. This is the rotary hammer. This is the tool only. Keep that in mind, so it doesn't come with the battery. And this is what we saw kind of in the beginning of the video. You walk right in the store, and they've got these Father's Day deals here. So you can see they've got some on ladders and grills and lighting and security. And basically, you buy a tool, you get a free battery, or the other way around, kind of how they're framing those deals here nowadays. And this, you're going to save $10 on this 10-piece combination wrench set. Now this is for our next grill. It's $199. It was $249. It's a 4-burner propane grill here. This is what it looks like inside. Kind of like a standard grill if you're in need of one, if your old grill is dying on you. This is the 389 Pro Series 22 pellet grill. So that's where you put the pellets and control the temperature. That's the chimney. And they're saying you save $110 on this here. And this is a Jumbo Joe Weber grill. It's a 22-inch charcoal grill here. This is what it looks like inside. Kind of the standard grill. And this is Milwaukee. They had their outdoor spring savings. This is like their chart of save this much if you spend this much. So you spend $350, you're going to save $50. And going up, you'd save more. So these are just some of the tools they have here. And these are the outdoor tools. Just keep that in mind. Now this is the Ryobi special here. They've had this here for a while. It's $299. I don't really think the price has fluctuated really, but this is their 16-inch kind of entry-level mower here. It's 40 minutes of runtime, includes 2 batteries, has a 3-year tool and a 3-year battery warranty. So if you need something a little bit bigger, this is a 20-inch cutting width for $329. It's only $30 more, but that you only get the 1 battery here. You do get a 5-year warranty on this one, so that's pretty nice though. And I'll go ahead and show you what this one looks like compared to the other one. So that's what that looks like. And then here's the $299 one. Now for $699, this is $100 off. I personally probably wouldn't spend that much on a push mower, but that's just me. This is a self-propelled 40-volt HP mower. It has 70 minutes of runtime. It comes with 2 batteries. Now this is from DeWalt. It's $179. It's their 20-volt max blower. It was $219. So you're getting a little savings there. It has 125 of max blowing, I guess, speed there, and this is what it looks like. It has that large intake on the back. Looks like a kind of out of a sci-fi movie or something. And this is like one of those clothing tags it reminds me of. And this is a pruner here, an 8-inch pruner for $139. It was $169. Now next up here is that 50% off section. Now this was in the front of the store. I had never seen this, at least in this store. Usually it's in the back, with the clearance section. So this is an indoor-outdoor candle here. This is half off. So I believe this is about $8. It was $16. Now they have these candles with the kind of frames as well for half off as well. They've got this globe glass one for $12. The ones below it have like a wooden frame with glass. And these are like pineapple ones, if that fits your house style. This is $24. It was in the 40s here. And then they've got these signs here: welcome to our garden, welcome to our patio. I think these are both about $9 each. And these are from Hampton Bay. They've got these ones on the bottom here. The one on the right's pretty cool. It's got that wooden, kind of old rustic kind of frame to it. And all their pillows here were half off as well. So these pillows are $9 a piece. I think they were 18. Now these are the patio sets here. This is $129. It's a 6-piece set, and it includes the umbrella. So for $129, that's pretty good, as long as it's a sturdy set and it didn't seem like it was falling apart or anything. And $5.99 is this HB Glenridge Falls 7-piece set. It was $6.49. And then this is the best deal here: for $5.99. It was $7.49 for this 7-piece set. And I don't think it included the umbrella above it, but it's still a good time to get patio furniture right now, it seems, with this sale. So now this is the actual clearance section in the back. So this is Dremel 3000, and this was $52. It was $79. They actually had some decent things back here. This is the Dremel Multi Max. It looks like a kind of a cutoff tool here with the 12 accessories. And this one here was $69. It was $99. And then they had the smaller tool here, the Dremel 200 series. And this one comes with all the different accessories, as you can see here, as well as a little box. And this was $35. It was $49. And go ahead and like this video, guys, if you've gotten this far. It helps in the algorithm as well. Now these are some PVC adapters here for $19.25, some ball valves. And they also had a DeWalt job site blower for $136. I think it was $169. But usually don't see DeWalt tools back in clearance here. They had some shower heads as well up top. Now, to find the best deal on tools, a lot of times you have to check different places. And go ahead and check out this next video, because that's what I do. I check out Home Depot, Lowe's, and Amazon to show you the best deals I can find.